Cutting straight isn't just a skill, it's an art. And when it comes to mastering precision, the right miter saw makes all the difference. Today we're putting the best miter saws to the test to see which one truly slices through the competition. From DIY champs to pro builders, these saws promise clean angles, smooth cuts, and zero drama. Grab your safety glasses. It's about to get sharp in here. All of the products featured in this video are listed in the description below. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's jump into the video. Metabo HPT compound miter saw. Cutting feels effortless with the Metabo HPT miter saw. You'll instantly notice its 15 amp motor delivering steady 5,000 RPM power, slicing through hardwood with remarkable precision. Each pass feels smooth and controlled, outperforming many heavier models that often sacrifice finesse for strength. Thumb actuated positive stops make miter adjustments quick and accurate, saving you precious setup time between cuts. Large 10-inch table support keeps longer board stable, while the vise clamping system locks materials firmly for safe, consistent results. Weighing just 24.2 pounds, it's surprisingly portable, ideal for moving between workshop and job site without hassle. Maneuverability feels natural, and setup takes only moments. With a bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees and miter angles extending 0 to 52 degrees in both directions, you gain flexibility for trim, frames, and precise joinery. Noise during extended use feels slightly higher than expected for its class. What stands out most is its balance between accuracy, portability, and raw cutting performance. Proof that lightweight design doesn't have to mean compromise. Dovaman updated sliding miter saw. Precision meets versatility in the Dovaman miter saw. You'll immediately notice how its dual speed 15 amp pure copper motor slices through wood, PVC, and soft metals with remarkable ease. Switching between 5,000 RPM and 3,200 RPM feels seamless, giving you total control for clean, accurate results on any project. Extended side tables and a 13-inch sliding rail let you handle wide boards effortlessly, a feature few models in this class can match. You'll appreciate the ambidextrous design. Comfortably operating it with either hand feels natural and balanced. Laser-guided precision truly sets this miter saw apart. Each cut lands exactly where you want it, saving time and reducing waste. The inclusion of 3 TCT blades, including 2 40-tooth and 1 48-tooth, ensures you're ready for fine woodworking or fast framing right out of the box. Power output feels consistent even on demanding cuts, and vibration remains impressively low. Dust collection could feel more efficient during extended use. What you'll love most is how effortlessly the Dovaman turns complex cuts into smooth, professional results every single time. SKIL Dual-Bevel sliding miter saw. Cutting feels effortless with the SKIL sliding miter saw. Its 15 amp motor pushes an impressive 4,800 RPM, slicing through dense boards faster than most mid-range miter saws. You'll appreciate how the dual bevel design lets you make angled cuts both left and right without flipping your material, saving time and keeping precision tight. The LED shadow line is brilliantly accurate, outperforming typical laser guides by showing exactly where the blade will land. Its 2x12 cutting capacity handles large lumber easily, while the tall sliding fences keep crown and base molding steady during intricate trims. Adjustments feel smooth thanks to the cam miter, lock knob, and stainless steel plate, delivering consistent, repeatable cuts. The horizontal handle with a center safety trigger works comfortably for both left and right-handed users. Portability stands out too. The lightweight frame and carrying handle make it workshop friendly. During longer sessions, the quick work clamp adds stability and safety. Dust collection could be slightly improved, especially during deep cross cuts. What truly wins you over is that LED shadow line, precise, reliable, and consistently sharp. For its speed, control, and thoughtful design, this SKIL saw easily outperforms others in its class. Makita Dual-Bevel sliding miter saw. Cutting feels effortless with the Makita Dual-Bevel miter saw. This saw delivers precision, power, and control in a compact frame that outperforms many larger models. Its 2-steel rail sliding system glides smoothly, letting you work flush against a wall while saving valuable space. You'll appreciate the direct drive motor. It starts soft, runs steady, and never loses power mid-cut. Increased cutting capacity handles crown molding up to 8 inches and wide boards with ease. The front bevel lock allows quick adjustments, keeping the setup simple and accurate. Laser guidance provides excellent visibility, ensuring perfect alignment even before the blade spins. Dual dust ports efficiently capture debris, leaving your workspace clean and your vision clear. Cutting stability feels exceptional thanks to the large aluminum base that keeps materials secure during each pass. Electronic speed control maintains consistent performance under pressure, producing smooth, burn-free cuts. Every detail feels engineered for precision and reliability. Its size adds some weight during transport, but stationary use reveals flawless performance. You'll admire how effortlessly it combines accuracy, design, and lasting craftsmanship. DeWalt Miter Saw. Cutting accuracy feels effortless when you power up the DeWalt DWS779 Miter Saw. This machine blends strength, stability, and precision that rivals higher-priced saws. Its 15-amp motor spins at 3,800 RPM, slicing through dense lumber with clean, consistent results. You'll appreciate the stainless steel miter detent plate. It locks in 10 positive stops, keeping every cut exact and repeatable. Dual horizontal steel rails glide smoothly, guided by linear ball bearings that ensure lasting accuracy. A camlock miter handle lets you adjust angles fast without losing precision, ideal when switching between trim and framing work. Tall sliding fences support crown molding and baseboards upright, keeping your material steady and your cuts flawless. Dust collection efficiency stands out, capturing most debris before it spreads across the workspace. The oversized bevel scale makes angle setting intuitive, saving time on complex cuts. Every movement feels balanced and deliberate, a hallmark of DeWalt's build quality. Portability isn't its strongest feature due to its solid frame. Yet once set up, this saw outperforms competitors with remarkable precision, durability, and user comfort. Bosch Dual-Bevel Sliding Miter Saw. Cutting wood feels effortless with the Bosch Miter Saw. This powerhouse blends precision, smooth motion, and compact design better than most saws in its class. You'll love the axial glide system. It delivers incredibly smooth crosscuts while freeing up nearly a foot of workspace. Compared to standard rail systems, it feels refined and efficient. You get a generous cutting capacity that handles wide boards and tall trim with ease. The adjustable stainless steel miter scales make setting angles fast and accurate, even for complex roof pitches. Every adjustment feels deliberate and secure. Fence alignment stays true thanks to Bosch's square lock quick release design, which removes the constant need for recalibration. Front bevel controls make operations simpler, letting you tweak angles without awkward reaching. Dust collection performs exceptionally well, keeping the area clear when connected to a vacuum. The saw's soft grip handle and sturdy build inspire confidence during long sessions. It's slightly heavy to move between job sites, but that weight adds rock solid stability. Among sliding miter saws, this model stands out for precision, comfort, and lasting performance.